Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, but before we get to this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, a share, and a subscribe. So today we're going to unbox Earth Too Faced, their Shell Lip Balm. Ever since I've seen it, I've always wanted it. And it's a bit pricey, it's like $25 for one. So let's just open this up and see how it is. So far my favorite lip balm ever is just the standard Burt's Bees Peppermint. Peppermint gives a cooling effect to the skin. It's so light. So they give it to you like with these peanuts. I'm pretty sure these are like eco-friendly. They melt with water. I got two. They're very tiny. Look how tiny that is. No way. This is it, guys. $25 for this little thing. I think this is, what flavor is this? I believe this is passion fruit and yuzu. Wow, this is so vintagey. What do you, look at it. This is definitely passion fruit yuzu. Earth Too Faced. Oh my god. For sure it'll leak. It's just so adorable. I'm in love with this though. Oh. And what's cool is like you can always reuse this packaging, just melt any of your favorite, what do you call it, chapstick into it. Maybe you can use double-sided, you know, like one here and one there. Let's give it a go now. Oh, it's very melty. See that? It's very melty. You see the light? Okay, it's very, like, you're gonna have to use a lot with your finger with this. It's very lemony because of the yuzu. Okay, that's yuzu. Let's try the other one. Vanilla peppermint. This is bigger. This one's bigger, guys. Like, see the difference? It's a little bigger. But I like this one more because this is like a green. Kind of looks like a bug, snail. This is like clear. This is more, this is like if you go classy, you know? The little clasp. I kind of like that clasp. But for sure it'll leak if you take it, you know, somewhere warm. So this one gives you more. Doesn't smell like anything. It smells like more like vanilla. Let me try this one. Again, it melts. You want light. This is definitely more subtle than the other one. They're really cute. I'm so happy with these though. Look at that, they're so adorable. I wish it was like more evenly clasped. Look how like a bit odd that is. But yeah, these are like 25 bucks each. What do you guys think? I don't think they're worth it. It's definitely more for like a showpiece. But I can't wait to like use it all up and put my favorite chapstick in there. But yeah, I feel like I'm at the beach. Ariel wants her bra back. What do you guys think? Definitely comment, give us a thumbs up if you like it, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or night where everyone's at. Goodbye.